Oh.
Alright, welcome to another installment of Deazy Eats. This time I pulled up to Perry's Joint Cafe out in Pasadena, California, who are known for their famous original handcrafted gourmet style sandwiches. And might I add, the vibes are gourmet. It feels like you're walking into grandma's home. Jazz music's playing, you're greeted with smiles, big love. Food is fresh, it's being made right in front of you, made to order. And it's just a whole vibe going on over there, man. So, but first and foremost, we're gonna check in with Yelp as the elite do. Shouts out to the good folks at Yelp, and shouts out to Perry and the whole team over there. Now let's get into it.
Fresh, boy. But here is the. Dang, what did I get? The Hit Bird on croissant. Perry's Joint, black owned. Good folks. Good vibes in there, man. They was playing jazz music. Nice photos on the wall. John Coltrane. They had Martin Luther King in there. James Brown. It just like, he walked in and it was just serene. It just was like, whew. Felt like the place to be. But it said, this ain't really the go-to sandwich. I just really like turkey sandwiches. And I couldn't remember what I got last time I went there. But I know it was fire and it's fresh because obviously like she's back there making it right there for you. You know what I'm saying? I got the dirty potato chips. Jalapeno heat, you feel me? They said the go-to sandwich in there is the Joe. It ain't no vegetables on there. He made sure to let me know that. Hot links, some pastrami, some other meats. It's just hella meats and cheese and onion. I'm gonna get in there and try that, no diddy. And yeah, he was just like, yeah, it's all of this stuff, no vegetables. I was like, oh, for sure. So yeah, I had to make sure to tell you that there ain't no vegetables in there. You know what I'm saying? So, but this is what I got, the bird. The hip bird at that. Oh. Oh. Dang, there's 2 layers of meat on here, pause. They got it on the top and on. Yeah. 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 I mean, look. I love me a good sandwich. I love especially a turkey sandwich. Everything is just hitting, bro. It's like, I mean, you can't go wrong with this. You can't go meats, cheese, veggies. The croissant though, anything on the croissant is gonna go crazy. What type of cheese is on here? I need to ask him. Let me see about it. I think it's a provolone. A little potato chip. When I dip, you dip, we dip, we chip. Rustic. Oh. Love a good thick cut kettle style. Listen. This is giving me Mike's Deli vibes. It's giving Mike's Deli vibes. The menu not as extensive, and it's not boar's head. They don't do the boar's head, obviously, which is fine. That boar's head go crazy, but it's still fresh. I could feel the love made with, like, it's made to order. She's sitting there asking me questions while she making the sandwich. You still want the, yep, 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 They got a nice menu in there. You know what I'm saying? They got hot dogs, different types of hot dogs, different type of sandwiches. They got remixes of sandwiches, regular sandwiches, different types of bread, some nice chips, smoothies, ice cream, smoothies, or shakes, whichever one. Y'all see the video. You'll see the videos in there. Yeah. And this is what I just remember. They're just consistent. They consistent. Consistent, fresh, and made with love, man. That's all you could ask for. That's what eating's about. You know what I'm saying? If it's made with love, and you can feel the love, like, you know what I'm saying? I give you love, you receive it. They gave it to me, I received it, I'm eating it, and now I can, my cup is full, and now I can give you guys love as well. Love.